Jeff Warsun Homestead. Today's video is about this little black box here. It's actually a pretty cool black box. So let's take a look at it. Thanks again for tuning in, folks. So I want to just kind of give you a little disclosure here. This here was sent to me. It's actually a very cool item, so you really gotta watch the video. But I just wanted to kind of share with you guys, I have been doing a lot of reviews on products. And one of the reasons why is because you guys are awesome. And so the way that the emails say is, the emails come to me and they say, hey Jeff, you've got great viewers. We want you to share these products with your viewers. And so there's a lot of them I say no to. And so if it's something that I think is useful to you guys, I'm going to say yes to it. So that's why you see some of these reviews on these products. But yeah, they basically say, you guys are great, I'm great, please review it. So let's review it. Okay, check out this LED flashlight. Here's the box. Warsun. It's a DC08. Not too much information on the box. It's all kind of basic. I'll tell you what, I like this flashlight. The more I've been playing around with it, the more I like it. Look how small it is. It's tiny. Normally, I walk around wearing with this flashlight. I like it. That's got a clip, and weight-wise, it's the same. And this here takes a AA battery, but you can't tell how much life is left in the battery other than just how dim it may be. What I like about this is there's an LED, there's a percentage up here that will tell you where you're at, so you can always keep it charged. So let's just go over this thing. First off, it's got a clip. So a belt clip, you can clip it on your shirt, and check this out, you clip it on your shirt, rotate this thing around like this, clip it on your shirt, and it's almost like a hands-free flashlight. So it's a rotating. It only rotates one way, so I can't rotate the other way. It only rotates this one way. So I like the rotation of it. So, but you can clip it on your hat, you can clip it on your shirt, and clip it on whatever it is you want to clip it on, the belt, whatever. I like that. 2 magnets down here on the bottom. So you can stick it on the hood of a car or whatever on the car to help you work on the car, to help, you know, like the fender or something to help change the tires or something. You can use it in any workspace. It's got metal. It will click. It will attach to that. Or what I'm beginning to learn is a couple of these things that I've came across has these magnets on them. And so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put little sheets of metal somewhere. It doesn't have to be very big, so that I can attach something like this on there. So that's pretty cool. Charging port is right there. It comes with USB-C, USB. This is about, what, 15 inches or so. The instructions, there's not too much to do in the instructions. It comes in 6 languages. The size of it is actually pretty small. Well, first off, just look at this here. You can see it's smaller. Basically, it's a little smaller than that in length. So this way here, there's a magnet on the back of that. That's why that was stuck there. So it's, what, a little bit more than 3 1/4, right? Actually, a little bit less than 3 1/4. 3 1/4 helps me know how to use my tape measure, right? That's about 1 inch, and then this way here, it's about 1 3/4. It's a good strong magnet, huh? Now, turn it on. See, it tells you at 99%. There's your light. This is about 800 looms. You do it again for a little lower. I don't know what the looms is on that. Then you do it again, and you got strobe. And one more, it's off. Then when I hold it down, Ooh, that's bright. Then you get that light there in the center. Then when you press it again, then you get a red LED. Press it again, you get a blue LED. And then it flashes the red and blue. And then it goes off. So that's the way it looks there. But I really like this. Now what I kind of like too is that you can have it on. Then you can rotate it. So like you can clip this on your shirt and you can have it on. It's pretty cool. So you can rotate it while it's on. I like that ability. See, it's already gone from 99 to 98. I don't know how long it will last on this. But because you got the percent, that's easy. Now here is the part that I really like a lot. Okay. Flashlight's going to charge my flashlight. So I've got this battery bank here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the USB-C, plug it in there. I'm going to plug it into this battery bank. See, it's on here, so it's charging. The green light there says it's charging. But here's the best part. I can use it while it's charging. I like that a lot. Look at that. I can use this while it's charging. So if you get this down to like maybe, I don't know, 20%, and you still got another hour or 2 or 3 or 4 that you're working on your project on, and you still need the flashlight, you can hook this up. You can rotate this thing here. Now you can't set it like this because the way that is, but what you could do, where's my on off? So you can set it like that, right? Or you can use that one and set it like that. Or I guess you could go upside down. So while it's charging, you're using it. So if you ever get down low on your percentage, you can just start charging. And you can charge while you're using it. I like that option. That's really cool. God, that light is bright. I don't know what the lume is on those. I know the high on the other is 800. But see, when this thing here, you just got to replace the battery. So it's not as, I like this. Small, fit in your pocket, clip it to anything you want. I like the idea of clipping it to a shirt or clipping it to a hat and then rotating it. So anyhow, so again, I'll put a link down below, and then so you can pick this up. It's really inexpensive. Actually, this cost here on Amazon was like 19 bucks. This flashlight was like what, 12 bucks at Home Depot. So I'd much rather have this. I may have to pick up a couple more of these. I'm liking these. So thanks for tuning in. Jeff, Arizona Hot Homestead, and I am shining a light on you. See you, bye, have fun.